Evernote and OneNote are two established note-taking applications with different philosophies. Evernote is a capture-first productivity hub that includes fast notes, smart search, tasks, and calendar integration. OneNote is Microsoft's free digital notebook offering a free-form canvas with deep integration into Office 365 Teams and Outlook. This comparison outlines their pricing, features, and ideal use cases. Overview of both tools. Evernote is designed as a structured, capture-focused productivity tool. It prioritizes fast note entry, powerful search capabilities, and an all-in-one dashboard that combines tasks, calendar events, and meeting notes. OneNote is a free-form digital notebook that allows users to click anywhere on a canvas and place text boxes, images, or drawings. It integrates natively with Microsoft's ecosystem, including Office 365 Teams and Outlook. Pricing comparison. OneNote is completely free with full features and no paywall restrictions. Evernote's free plan is limited to 50 notes and 60 megabytes of monthly uploads. Multi-device sync is locked behind a paid tier, which starts at approximately $10.99 per month. Winner for pricing. OneNote search capabilities. Evernote searches inside PDFs, Word documents, and scanned images using OCR technology. It also supports advanced syntax operators for refined searches. OneNote can search text and text within images, but lacks the depth of Evernote's PDF and document search. Winner for search. Evernote performance. OneNote is a native application that runs quickly and smoothly across all platforms. Evernote runs on Electron, which can result in slower launch times and occasional performance glitches. Winner for performance. OneNote organization. Evernote uses notebooks combined with powerful tagging and a pinnable shortcut menu for structured organization. OneNote provides a free-form canvas where users can click anywhere and drop text boxes. This offers more creative freedom but less inherent structure. Collaboration. OneNote supports real-time multi-user editing at no cost. Evernote locks collaboration features behind paid plans. Winner for collaboration. OneNote productivity features. Evernote's home dashboard connects tasks, calendar events, and meeting notes in a single view. OneNote is adding Copilot AI features, but these are still rolling out and not yet fully mature. Winner for productivity features. Evernote. Recommendations. Choose OneNote if you are already within the Microsoft ecosystem, need a fully featured free note-taking tool, or collaborate frequently using Office 365. It offers excellent performance and collaboration at no cost. Choose Evernote if you are a solo power user who needs structured search across documents, an all-in-one productivity hub with tasks and calendar integration, and are willing to pay for a premium subscription. Conclusion. OneNote wins on pricing, performance, and collaboration. Evernote wins on search depth and integrated productivity features. The choice depends on whether you prioritize free, fast collaboration with Microsoft integration or a structured search-heavy paid productivity hub.